My pretty pink order is finally here. And of course, I have my beautiful Stanley cup to go with today's video because we're going to be talking all about Loveshackfancy, florals, and pinks. Hi lovelies, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you love, then go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. So last week, Victoria's Secret and Loveshackfancy launched their beautiful collaboration and I actually placed my order the very same morning that it launched. I also took you all shopping with me. I'll leave that video down below if you want to watch it, but I did get to go in stores that afternoon and I was able to look around and see if there was anything else that I wanted to get beside ordering online. I'm actually glad that I placed my order early that morning because there was lots of things that I didn't see in my store. So I did want to say that I was very sad because I actually had a really good coupon from Victoria's Secret and I was not able to use it because these coupons were exempt from this beautiful collaboration, sadly. But of course, I still ended up getting some items. This is the most beautiful collab. And of course, I had to get something. Anytime I think of the word Loveshackfancy and pink, it just gives me like girly, coquette vibes. And this collaboration is everything. It's beautiful. It's like floral, pink, pastels, all those pretty colors. So let me go ahead and get started and show you what I got. This piece for me was a must. Didn't see this at my store, but I'm so glad I picked it up online, and that was the main reason why I hurried up and I ordered them online. But look how pretty it is. It's the Victoria's Secret pink Loveshackfancy iconic dog. This is actually much bigger than the standard dog. Here it is, so you can see for reference, but look at the size difference. And I am so obsessed with it already. I still don't know if I should take it out of the box or if I should just leave it in there, but it is so gorgeous. So I am going to take it out for today's video purpose. It's beautiful. It is stunning. Look at all the pretty floral pink details. And it has a fuzzy velour bow. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. It's so pretty and pink, just the way I like it. And I love that the floral matches my bedding and my Stanley cup. So the next thing I picked up was a baseball hat. And I actually ordered this separately because originally I didn't order it. And then me and my bestie were like chatting online and I came to the conclusion that I need this because it's beautiful. I'm not really like a hat person, but if it's pretty and it's pink, I am all for it. But look how gorgeous it is. Even the word pink has that pretty pink floral pattern and the gold lettering. They did have this hat in a different print. I'll link it here so you can see it. It's also very pretty, but I just didn't like the fact that the lettering was more like silver and more like a pink and gold color type of a girl. So of course I had to get this one and it is just so pretty. I'm obsessed. Look how cute this is. This is going to be perfect whenever I go to the park or take my kids somewhere. It's beautiful. I'm so glad I picked it out. I also got the most gorgeous little mini bag from this collection. I am obsessed with her. She is beautiful. I'm so glad that I ordered her online. Again, my store did not have this one. They did have the big duffel bag in this print, but they only had checkered print one in my store. And when I saw it, I don't know, it just didn't call out to me. When I saw it, it didn't give me any like Loveshackfancy vibes. It was more like a baby pastel color, like a checkered bag. It's very pretty, don't get me wrong, but it just didn't kind of match the collection in my opinion. I think when I think of the word Loveshackfancy, I just think like the florals, the pastels, the pinks, and it's very iconic in this print. So that's why I chose this one. And I even thought about possibly getting that one online when I ordered this one, but I'm glad that I just sticked with this one because this is definitely like the iconic print and it's the print that I really like like because it matches my Stanley cup, it matches like my perfume and a bunch of my decor in my room. So the strap is adjustable, so you can definitely use this as like a little shoulder bag, or you can adjust the strap so that it's more like a crossbody bag, which I'll be doing. But I'm so excited. Me and my bestie actually ended up getting a bunch of the similar things, so I'm so excited. I love getting the same things as my best friend. Also from this collection, I did get one t-shirt, and this is the shirt that I ended up getting. It says pink, and again, it's going to match all my items, including my handbag and my pretty pink hat. So it has like the same pattern here in the word pink and the gold lettering. I ordered my shirt in a size medium. I do like my shirts to be a little bit more like oversized and they're more comfortable, but I am obsessed with this print. It is absolutely gorgeous. The last thing I got is this gorgeous makeup bag, also in the same print. I'm not sure if this one came in the checkered pink print. I'm assuming it did, but this print is just giving me the girliest vibes. Look how pretty it is. It's gorgeous. This is going to look beautiful in my vanity. I can't wait to put some of my favorite beauty items in here and check out the inside. It is all pink. Come with me to add some of my beauty essentials and skincare items in this beautiful little beauty bag. So these were all the things that I ordered from this collaboration. I really hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.